Hey guys, it's giveaway time again. Muslogy Auto is giving 6 lucky winners the opportunity to win one of 6 products. We've got 2 sets of the interior dash trim kits, we've got 2 sets of the interior liners for the cup holders and the interior dash trays, and then we've also got 2 of the LED trash bags. So how can you win? It's really easy. In the comment section below, just leave a message and let us know what product you're interested in winning. Email muslogyauto@gmail.com and let them know what you're interested in winning. And if you want to subscribe, that'd be great too. That really helps the channel and it opens us up for more giveaway opportunities in the future. The winner will be announced on December 25th on Muslogy Auto's Instagram channel. And they will also email you to let you know if you're a winner. Hence the reason for emailing them in the first place. You can find them on Instagram at muslogy_auto. We tried picking subscribers on YouTube in the past, and unfortunately many of you don't put your email address in your YouTube channel, so it's really difficult to pick a winner. And so that's why we're getting you to email Muslogy Auto so that they can get all of the recipients and it'll be easy to choose the winners. And alongside this giveaway, we also have 15% off of Muslogy Auto products using the link below in the description. Use 15 Xanthus as the code, 15 XANTHUS as the code, and you'll get 15% off of the Muslogy Auto products in the link. This promotion runs from December 15th through December 25th. Coincidentally, the same day that the winner of the giveaway is going to be announced as well. Who'd have thunk it? So good luck to you. Hope to have many more giveaways in the future. Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you next time.